What's going on, everybody? It's Rick with Gardening with Barchuckin. Let's go ahead and that looks like the fresh bedding. Yep. So there's the old coffee filter. I don't know if anything's left from that feeding or not. I did mash up the berries. So nope, nothing left there. Okay, so I got some food scraps, some sliced potatoes, some green beans, celery, and asparagus stem. So what is pretty good is this is a fairly wet feeding, and the castings are fairly dry, so. And I'm gonna just dump those juices over onto the drier paper. Top off with the ground up eggshells. Top this area with the worm chow, and then I'll need to get a new filter. Okay, and there's the filter for the feeding. I'll go ahead, pop the paper back on top. I think I'm going to add a little bit of water to it because, as you can see, it's pretty dry right now. And hopefully with adding a little bit of the water, it will help to maintain the moisture of the bin. I'm going to use that 1,000 milliliter squeeze bottle. Okay, well, thanks for coming along and checking this out. Everybody have a great day.